Hello and welcome to PDJ Vibro. Today we're looking at this used EVP-A 220. We have, of course, completely stripped it down and rebuilt it, so every nut, bolt and screw is out of that machine and has been put back as you would want it to be. The line is in excellent condition, as is the motor. It's ideally suited for subcontract environments, so if you don't quite know what's coming at you, this machine has all the flexibility you could possibly want. It's got a nice width on the chamber. You can put larger pieces in there, delicate pieces, and they won't catch up if the same drag factor. We can guide you through that process. And unloading of small pieces is made easy because that machine goes into reverse, the flap goes down, you can see there, parts go across the screen, and they have a very quick, easy change system on those. So we've got plenty of variations on that to make sure you've got exactly the right setup for you. So if you'd like to learn more about this machine, or if you'd like us to process some samples for you or learn more, then why not give us a call today? You're most welcome to come and visit anytime, but just give us a call and our experts are ready to speak to you and talk you through the process from start to finish. We'd love to help. Thank you.